Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to duplicate apps on iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to duplicate apps on your iPhone, then you have to download or install iOS 16. If your device is supported iOS 16, then you can do it very easily. So firstly, let me show you here. Now as you can see guys, it's running on iOS 16.3. So you have to download or install iOS 16 in your device, and after that you have to follow the process. So just simply tap on this and then you have to go to your app library. Now let me show you here. Here is my Safari app. So just simply look here for Safari app. Here it is guys. Now let me show you here. Here is the Safari app. Okay guys, now as you can see guys, I have two Safari apps. Now let me show you again. As you can see guys, I have three Safari apps. Let me show you here. Here is my app. Again let me show you. Here is my app. As you can see guys, again let me show you here. So all the apps are duplicate and opening same pages. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.